say take me on a treasure.
So nice when you live next to it. Okay guys, let me show you guys my outfit for the day. I'm going to Ikea. I want to pick up a rug. I checked online for the rug yesterday and they had 9. I checked it this morning, they had only 8 left. I was going to wait till the weekend before I go to Ikea, but if I wait longer it will be out of stock and they don't make this product anymore. The last time I asked them, if they say they're trying to get rid of this product, and I will take you guys with me. But before I do, I want to say, if it's your first time here, hello and welcome. My name is Cynthia, and guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. You can subscribe. And guys, what happened now? The last video I uploaded, I think 2 or 3 weeks ago, work from home, I think something about working from home, or I think I put a 5 highly paid home-based job role. You guys didn't view that video that much. What is happening? You guys don't want to work from home, or you guys don't like that kind of content, or why now? Why now, guys? You guys hurt my feelings though. As at 2 days I had only 50 views. I'm like, hey, what is happening? You guys don't want to work from home, you know? Anyway, it's okay guys, but come on guys, show your girl some support. I appreciate it. Please show your girl some support. Those of you who watch the videos, I appreciate. Thank you guys so much. Anyway guys, let us go to Ikea. Guys, go easy on me. I haven't vlogged for a while. That's my mask there. That's my masks, guys. The way life just changed, and I'll have to wear masks a bit everywhere we go. It's not easy, you. It's not easy. And personally for me, I feel claustrophobic when I wear my mask. It's like I can't breathe in them. I don't wear them when I'm driving, but in the shops I do put them on. Right, I haven't vlogged for a while. I'm new to vlogging, so I don't know how this vlog is going to be like, but however way it is, guys, like I said, please share my video if you find it beneficial. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and let me show you guys my outfit for the day, and I'll take you guys with me to Ikea. The guy, did I say my name? If you are new here, my name is Cynthia, and you are welcome to my channel. I upload videos on hauls, cooking. I'm doing some reviews now because being at home on lockdown, I've learned how to do a lot of DIY, so I don't go out. So I do most things basically at home basically. And let me show you my outfit for the day, and let's go. Okay guys, this is my outfit for the day. I'm just going with white jeans. It rained all night yesterday, and a black bodysuit top. Link to where I got my outfit is going to be in the description box down below. So it's my outfit for the day, guys. It's cold outside, so I'm going with this. Hold on guys, cardigan to keep me warm. And okay, now I'm really going, because I've said let's go a lot of time and I don't go. Now I'm going. Now I'm leaving the house now. I'll see you guys in Ikea. Come drive with me. The rug I'm going to pick up, so basically similar to what I have. The kids are doing their study, so hence books are on the floor, which is fine. So I think I left home late. If I'd left earlier, I won't be in this. There might not be traffic, but I think the traffic was triggered by an accident. No, wasn't there? Right, we've passed where there is traffic now, so it's raining heavily outside. Regarding what's been happening around the world, guys, I think we should all just be prayerful, you know. Be prayerful and prayer. In my opinion, I think prayer is the key to everything. We should just all be prayerful. much cars here, which is good. I don't like shopping in crowds because I panic when I saw everywhere less crowded, but when I went close by it was really crowded. Because for vessel, if Ikea was closed, can't travel all the way, then the shop is closed. I like selecting the space I park. The space and me has to gel, and I'll park there. You know, if it's not a big space, I won't park there. Ikea is open, but now I have to put on my gears, meaning face masks. Check my checklist. Okay, let's pack this baby. Right, we are there, guys, so let's go in. But first of all, checklist. Face mask has to go on. There's no queue outside anyway, so which is good. I do it like this with my hair over my hair. I don't know. Face mask has to go on. Right, guys. And my jacket. Super raining heavily. Okay, guys, let's go. Do you want a small one? They take only card payments down here. Oh, so cozy. Thumbnails. Thumbnails. What do you think? Very cozy.
Oh wow, this looks great.
Very cozy. That is the carpet. guys, we are done. Time to sanitize our hands. Basically. Alright. Woo. My stuff got broken. Hey, never mind. Let's put that here. Time for us to go home. Okay guys, we're all done. I will show you guys what we got when I get home, and I will see you guys at home basically. If you are new here guys, come on, subscribe to my channel, share my video if you find it beneficial, and leave comments. I would love to hear from you guys. I intend to do another video. After this video, I'm going to be doing a Zara haul if my delivery comes on time, and show you guys what I bought and see what you guys think about it, you know, because Zara had this massive sale recently, and in my opinion, I think they were good items anyway. Some of the deliveries has arrived, but in my opinion, what I got were quite okay. I'm waiting for all to arrive, maybe because I had a large order anyway, so that may have triggered the delay in me getting all at once. So when all come together, I will do a haul for you guys. Oh no, let's not get noodles. I am longing for noodles. Okay guys, I'm home now, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. And I tried to stay within my budget. I knew what I was going to buy, so I picked it up and left the shop as soon as possible, so I don't go out of my budget. I'll just show you guys what I bought. Right, okay guys, I got this low back rug from Ikea, the same one that we have in our dining area. That's how it looks like. They are so good. I've had this one now for over a year, and I wanted another one, so that's it here. They are almost out of stock because they are restocking, basically making new items. This won't be in stock anymore, and that's the name, low back, and it is £70. And the other items I got, I'll just show you guys. It is quite a large rug. The other items I got were kitchen towels. These are £2.50 each, so that's basically £5. I tried to stay within my budget. I bought scented candle. I love scented candle, guys. This one is I don't know how much, maybe about £1.75. And tin cutter. These ones were tin opener. These ones are £5. And also garlic crusher. These were £3 or so. What's this says here? These are £3 also. I got this play set for my little ones. It's a pizza play set. That's how it will look like, and I think it's cute, you know. So these are £7. I also got this jug. This is £3. Oops, it's plastic. It's £3.50. That's how it looks like. These oat biscuit. These are £2.75 each. So yeah, I got 2 packets of these. I also got this aloe vera plant also from Ikea. These are £3. The one we have is dead. Look at it, guys. We've had this for over a year and it's dead now. I'm trying to bring it back to life by giving it all the right ingredients. That's the right word, ingredients, but it's still not looking alive, but let's see how it goes. So we have a new one now. I showed my kids this, they were so happy. Guys, I think I'm going to end the haul here. No, not a haul. I think I'm going to end the vlog now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video, which may be a haul or a skincare review basically. Bye guys. And if you have watched the vlog to the end, thank you so much, and please do subscribe and share the video if you found it beneficial. Anyway guys, I have to go and make lunch now. Back to mommy mode. I have to go and make dinner now, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.